Yes, yes, and the cake. It's your ear, my robot is a dream. This is my dream. I wish my robot will come to my house and like dance in a party. Hello, my name is Jagath, and we're going to make a robot out of all these materials. First, we need scissors, paint, water, paintbrushes, water, glue, some paint, some paper cups, some paper plates, and some cups made of paper. So we need all of them to start.
As a first step, let us just make a model or a rough model of how the robot is going to look like. So we are using two of these cups. Place it here like a foot.
What?
And then two of these.
I did not know that.
Two of these cups go in here. This will be linked by a plate. So this becomes the robot's legs.
And body legs.
Yeah, the body comes up here, and then the body ends here with the head, followed by a plate that covers the head. So, and also we will stick some arms to make the robot look real.
We don't have gray, but we need gray.
Yeah, we don't have gray, but we can use other colors.
Yeah.
So, shall we start making it?
Yeah,
so this is the rough model of how the robot is going to look like.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just need paper cups and things.
Yeah, first was painted.
So first let's start painting as Jagath said. Let's start with these two.
See that book and
So
we saw this book. I was planning and like do the robot, and my mom said that it goes in a different library. It's not in my school library. So grown up.
yeah. So this is the book from which we took the robot project from.
Yeah.
So it's called 51 Things to Make with Paper Plates. And this is an amazing book and it has lots of projects.
There's the robot we found in 17 had just the how.
Yeah, he's telling the page number. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 16.
Yeah, let's do this.
So let's do this.
Okay.
We don't need that. First, let's paint it.
So what do you want the legs to be? You want orange?
I want red. It's my favorite.
You want red?
I like my favorite color.
Okay.
That's my favorite color too. Blue and red are my favorite colors. That's my brush.
Yeah, come on, start painting.
You're using your brush. How could that? I got moved what's very important and it can make a sound. Now the feet post is done. How you doing, guys?
We are now going to paint the legs of the robot. These two cups.
Can I see that? Is there a color for it?
You don't have to see from this. You can choose a color from here. Yeah. Let's choose yellow.
One cup for me, one cup for you. I do the inside now. Rubber. I can see the red. It's like orange now. The yellow's like orange. It's so many. I get so many. And I'm gonna spoil it.
Yeah, you are allowed to.
Yeah. This one is.
Chill. Let's do this together.
Oh man.
Come
My,
on.
my finger.
Come on. Come on.
It's like a footprint.
This way. This way. Doing it one way will make it look nice. Yeah, yeah.
You're doing better than me because you have a big brush. But that's okay. Because I don't care. You can have the big brush because you're big.
Yeah.
See this? I
Done.
made my footprints on the table.
Yeah. We are allowed to become messy.
Yep, also the table.
Also the table. So what are the things that are ready?
It's yellow.
So we are now going to use the glue to stick the leg with the feet. Place it this way towards the side.
Like that. I'm going to do just a little.
Just a little drop and then spread it with your brush. Enough. That's really big.
I cannot even get that.
Okay, spread it with your brush.
Spread, oh spread it. Spread it. Oh my god. Because I'm seeing the phone. I'm seeing the phone like this. That's why my eye is hurting.
So
What is that? What is that? What is that?
So the other leg is fixed.
We're gonna take the plate, go like this, but this is for the body, and we're gonna use purple.
This is actually blue.
No, this is dark blue. I mean.
Dark blue. Let's do a dark blue around. Make it dark blue. And let's make the body. Okay. The blue part of the plate is done. So we are going to
She has
place
a
it
bigger
over
brush.
what?
She has a bigger brush than I really want.
If you want it, you can get mine. It's okay.
I'll get it.
So, okay, let's use it for the next one. Why do you want to have it now?
I want it.
Keep it.
I want to keep it.
Okay, keep the plate on top of the cups. Glue is applied here on the other part. Okay, so let's keep it on top of the cups. Yeah, come on, do it.
I can't. I don't want to do it.
Do it, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
So this is for these are the other parts of the body that we are going to do, which will come over there. So let's make them blue as well.
So this is how you
This is my cup and this is your cup and you're
So
gonna.
first we have to do this. Second we have to do like this, and then we keep it and put it the head.
Yeah, let's color it.
Yeah. Because I'm not gonna give you brush back.
It's okay, you can have it, not a problem.
Yeah, because you're my mommy, Mr. Mommy. We're done doing the body.
Now let's fix these on top of the assembled portion, okay? So let's just apply glue here, spread it all over.
But I'm in the bottom.
Wait, this is the bottom part. So let's apply glue here. See, this is the glue. We are applying it. It became blue.
I don't have it.
Yeah, and the
glue is blue.
goes on. This plate goes on top of the bowl. Goes on top of the plate.
Hey, that's mine.
And now this is the other. Yeah. Okay.
I just need
One dot here, another one here, another here, and here. That's it. Now spread it with your brush. Use this brush.
Yeah, because that's the one.
Spread it along. Yeah.
Yep. And here's our body. Roba, this is
Chitty robot.
And there's a chicken robot. I'm a chicken robot. Daddy.
So here goes the body of the robot. Now the head portion, right?
Yeah, baby, but only
Look at our hands.
one.
So messy.
Now we're going to color the head and stick it. Then we just have to put ice. And we're done. And we'll show you the robot.
Come on, let's do it.
This is mine now.
So this thing was not stable, so I just flipped the cup and now it's stable. It will stick. So here I have applied glue on top. So keeping this plate, the head of the robot. Yeah, it's fixed. Now it's time to make the hands. Come on. So for this you just take some kind of paper, like I have, for example, I have taken this FedEx thick paper.
Yeah, and that's my mom's. That's where paper goes in us. So,
Like you can just cut a straight piece or you can cut a curved piece. Anything is fine.
I'm a curved piece. First, I know how to arm this. First, you need to do this two from that, and then just around. Mommy did a curved one. I want a straight one because I can only do just a straight one. I'm like, I don't want a robot.
So one is straight.
You know what's my dream? You know what's my dream? I want robots. And that's where he would be. No.
The other one is a curve.
My mom has drawn. This is how it looks like. Carefully. And this is how it goes.
Got our finished product.
Yeah. What, friend? We have to just wait for it. And then to dry me. Then we can play with it. And that's my best friend. Will become real. This is my dream. And I wish robots will come to my house. And then dance. And I want a party. And then we can like
Action.
Please